Anytime now. And the race is on. Sharp Cookie from the outside, moving up by the Dugus to King. Sir Frederick Cuccinelli alongside is Dragon May, My Treasure, Presidential Princess Ashley, and Farragut's Order is the early trailer. Dugus to King, followed by Sharp Cookie. And moving up from the outside is Dragon May, My Treasure. Down on the inside, Sir Frederick and Presidential. Rounding the far turn, Sharp Cookie is now the leader. Dugus to King drives back in second. Dragon May getting closer in third together with My Treasure. Moving up by Farragut's Order as they race the final corner. Sharp Cookie by about 2 lengths. Dugus to King moving up is My Treasure and Dragon May. Sharp Cookie followed by Dragon May and Farragut's Order on the further outside. And nearing the finish line, Sharp Cookie, Dragon May, and finally Sharp Cookie. Dragon May, Dugus to King, close, My Treasure, and Farragut's Order for your Pentafect.